welcome back to the channel. This is your girl Creative P. So for today's video, I'm gonna be showing and talking about this spring twist hairstyle that I'm wearing right now. The hair that I used to do this style, I got it from a company called Curl Kingdom. They're on Amazon.com. The color here is in a 1B27. This is what the hair look like when you order the hair. You're gonna get 4 bundles of these hair. This is 1 bundle, and when you order it you get 4. Each bundle have about 30 pieces approximately. This hair is really soft, it's tangle free, it's lightweight, and taking it apart was like super easy. I have done like spring twist before with different hair, and when I try to take it apart it matted and it was hard. So taking this hair apart was really easy, and like I said before, it's really lightweight. I can even feel this hair on my head. So I'm going to be doing a giveaway on this hair. So if you want to try this hair, I'm going to leave the rules and the instructions in the description box. So go ahead and check that out and enter the giveaway to win a package of this hair. To achieve this style, I used 3 bundles, and this is my 4th bundle that I have here. I did them like a little bit bigger, so because that's the look that I was going for. But I think if you're doing like a smaller size, you probably might end up using all 4 bundles. So go ahead over to Amazon and check out Curl Kingdom and get this hair if you are trying to do like a spring twist style / passion twist, and you won't regret it because this hair is the real deal right here. Or you can go ahead and enter the giveaway to win yourself a free package of this hair so you can try it before you buy it. So the method that I used for my spring twist was the crochet method. I used rubber bands, and I sectioned off my hair and I put rubber bands, and then I used the crochet needle and crochet the hair in, and then I went ahead and twist it. The hair is not this long. This right here is like 2 pieces of hair. I use 1, and then at the end I add another piece of hair to make it this long because I was going for length. I wanted them to be like super long when I did it. So I'm going to show you guys how I did that, so stay tuned if you want to see how I do it. To do this style, you're going to need I use gorilla snot, and you're going to need rubber bands, a crochet needle, and you're going to need the hair. So I take the gorilla snot and I put a little on my on the perimeter of my hair. And then I take the rubber band I'm not doing it too tight because the rubber band could break your hair, so you got to do it like not too tight. Then I take a little eco styling gel and I put it on my hair. This is the one that I'm using. Then I take my crochet needle and I put it under, I take my crochet needle and I put it under my rubber band, under. Then I take one piece of the hair. I didn't separate the hair for this hairstyle. I just leave it as it was. I just like kind of loose the hands a little bit to give it like a tapered look. So I take one piece of the hair and then I attach it to the end of the crochet needle, and then I pull it through. I even out the sides, make sure that both sides are the same length, because you want it to be the same length for when you had the second piece of hair to add length to the hair. Then when I go ahead and I split my natural hair in two pieces, so I have two pieces of hair for this, for when I do my twist. And then I just go ahead and I do like a regular twist, like so. So when I'm like about to like right here, I stop and then I get my second piece of hair and then I put like right in the middle, and then I put it like right in between two pieces of hair right here at the end, and twist it around. You're going to take the end of this twist that you just do and you're going to twist it around the piece of hair that you just had. Twist it around like so. You got to hold it while you're twisting it so it doesn't come loose. And then you do the other side. You just twist it around so that that hair now becomes a part of that hair that you were twisting. And then you hold it and then you proceed with your twist. You can add a little bit more gel or whatever you're using, jam or the gorilla snot or whatever it is that you're using to hold the hair, and then you continue twisting. You can use a duckbill clip to like hold the hair where you, so it doesn't move right there, and then you just twist. You don't want to twist this hair too tight, because if you twist it too tight, the hair won't have that springy look. So you want to like do a loose twist so you get that bounce and that soft flowy look that everybody wants when they're doing their spring twist. So you just go ahead and you twist to the end of the hair. That did not work. So with me having the second piece, this is how long the hair is. Of course it's going to spring back up some, but it still adds a little length and it doesn't make the twist so short if you're going for a longer look. So this works if you want your twist to be longer, or if you want them to be shorter, you can just go ahead and use one piece. Or even if you're going for like a smaller, if you're doing them smaller, you might want to break the hair in two pieces, so you have as you don't have these chunky twists for like a smaller braid. And then I just like do a little twirl at the end with my finger like so, and then this is what that is looking like. Again, do that again. I use a little of the girl's knot. I don't really like this because this sleeve, when it's dry, it's like a white flaky residue on your hair. So when you're using it, you might just want to use a little bit. I don't know if it's the same for everybody, but I find that this leaves a white residue on my hair and I don't really like it. But it has like a really good hold when you're trying to like do a twist or even when you're doing like a crochet style like this. So I just put a little of the gorillas knot on the pyramid of my hair, and then I take my rubber band and put it on, but not too tight because you don't want your hair to break off. Then I take a little of the Eco Styling gel and put it on the hair. Take the hair and your crochet needle, you put it under the rubber band. And then you part your natural hair in two pieces. So you have two pieces of hair with two pieces of spring twist hair, and then you just do a regular twist. Remember, you can use a clip to like kind of hold the hair that you just had in place, and then you just go on and twist it to the end. Remove your clip. You have two long spring twists, like super long. Well, that's it, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video. And this hair, go on over to Amazon.com and check out Curl Kingdom hair. This spring twist hair is like really good and is soft. Like I said before, it's really lightweight. It's tangle free. Go on over to Amazon, check them out. Remember the giveaway, go into the description box and check out the rules and the instructions and enter the giveaway to win a bundle of this hair. And as usual, thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you for next videos.